Welcome to Module 3, Reach and Teach Students with Disabilities, Types of Learning Disabilities. Not every learning disability is created equal, and how you will cope and adapt in the classroom to the different types will change. Some common types of learning disabilities. Dyslexia, a language and reading disability whereby a student has trouble making sense out of written language and may often see letters or words reversed. Dysgraphia is a writing disorder resulting in illegibility, meaning not only can you not read the student's writing, they cannot read their own writing. A terrible thing if they're having to take notes in class. Dyscalculia is problems with arithmetic and math concepts. Dyspraxia is a sensory integration disorder, which means students may have problems with motor coordination, extreme clumsiness when using tools, pencils, or paper, and even their own fingers and hands. Central auditory processing disorder means a student will have difficulty processing and remembering language-related tasks. Non-verbal learning disorders is a disorder that causes trouble with nonverbal cues. Students may not recognize or read body language, they may have poor coordination, be clumsy, or have difficulty with organization. Visual perceptual or visual motor deficit. A student will reverse letters, cannot copy text accurately, their eyes often hurt or itch, they'll lose their place when reading, and they struggle with cutting or doing small tasks that require detailed visual acuity. Language disorders such as aphasia or dysphagia mean a student will have trouble understanding spoken language and usually poor reading comprehension as well. What does this look like to you? Can you read this letter? This is what a dyslexic person would see in a textbook. They would develop extreme frustration, and you may feel frustrated over your inability to help students who can't seem to learn. Students might feel angry if, out of ignorance, they cannot do well in class. Instructors might feel angry if they do not understand what the student is going through, and they blame the student for their difficulties. Instructors may also feel inadequate if they blame themselves for a student's failure. How can you address a strategy for each of these? We'll look at that in another module. This concludes Module 3, Types of Learning Disorders.